Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Tiguan cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and protects your heating and air conditioning system. It's a straightforward process that often takes less than 15 minutes, and you can save yourself around $50 by doing it yourself. Let's get started with locating the filter. First, you'll need to access the cabin air filter, which is conveniently located behind the glove box on the passenger side of your Tiguan. Open the glove box, then gently unhook the small dampener arm usually found on the right side. Next, compress the two locking clips in the top corners of the glove box. This allows the entire glove box assembly to swing down, giving you clear access to the filter housing. With the glove box lowered, you'll see the cabin air filter housing cover. This cover typically has 3 small locking tabs along its top edge. Gently press and release these tabs, then pull the cover outward to remove it. Now, you can carefully slide the old, dirty filter straight out of its housing. Before discarding it, take a moment to observe the airflow arrow printed on the side of the filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Now it's time to install your fresh cabin air filter. Ensure the new filter's airflow arrow is pointing downwards, matching the direction of the old one. Slide the new filter completely into the housing. Then, align the filter housing cover and firmly press it back into place until all 3 tabs click securely. Finally, reattach the dampener arm to the glove box and push the glove box upwards until it locks into its closed position. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.